Yes, today again we are going to display ways, other ways you can make food for your livestock organically. Maybe most of you might not know this is plantain. Sometimes we do have this kind of waste in our farms whereby hazard or climatic factor might affect them, and sometimes you may have abundance of this in your farm. Today, I want to create a nice meal filled with, you can see, I'm grinding it. I'm gonna grind it and grind it. And see, I'm crushing it. This is a very nice meal for any of your livestock. Very nice meal for any of your livestock. Take your time. You can see I'm crushing the plantain. So you'll be getting things like this. This is the kind of thing you get when you, okay, you can either dry them on the sun, or if you give it to them, they're gonna eat it. Okay, so I'm gonna visit the Noila. Let's see what happens here. Wow. Hey, you guys should take it easy. You can see the way they're eating it. You can see that. So excited. This is gonna give them good nutrients and they're gonna grow stronger.